So I'll ask you certain things, probably doesn't go, सबके साथ वो नहीं चलेगा, पर आप जो चीज़ें कहते हो कि one must try to avoid. For example, not example, but I'll be asking you like for acne, diet में क्या चीज़ें हमें avoid करनी चाहिए? Because क्या करना चाहिए वो सबको पता है, but what to avoid? So any specific you think ये करके देखो तो आपको 90% फ़ायदा हो सकता है, like sugar, maybe, I don't know.
So Charu, I would say acne, I have actually cured again. We have a very good success rate, close to 100%
Lovely.
by this diet thing. We've really captured acne with diet. We don't give any kind of antibiotics, no tretinoin, no isotretinoin. We do skin treatments and we work extensively on blood investigations and diet. Coming to the diet, a big no to few things, so that acne actually आए ना, भी उनको आने क्यों देना,
reoccur ना हो, right?
उनको आने क्यों देना, आएंगे तो फिर obviously we are there to help you out, but few things that acne के लिए बिल्कुल contraindicated है. I know बच्चा जो है वो कहेंगे okay we are not doing this.
Today everybody is very alert and they're conscious. They might listen.
So chocolates, dark chocolates
is not recommended.
Not recommended. You can't have it.
Oh my God, acha.
All right.
Okay.
Then green tea, a lot of coffee.
Green tea is not allowed.
No
in
green
acne?
tea. No green tea. No coffee. You have to be away from the acidic things. No white sugar at all.
All right.
You can take shakkar off and on when you feel like. No mangoes. No grapes. No lychee. By these things, why I'm telling you, it's got a lot of sugar basically.
No mangoes, lychee.
Insulin surge बहुत ज़्यादा होता है और mangoes बहुत गर्म होते हैं. आपके अंदर already गर्मी चल रही है और already hormonal imbalance चल रहा है. So we have to decrease the sugar levels inside our body. तो immediately कोई भी sugar वाली चीज़ नहीं खाइए जिससे कि आपके जो अंदर trigger होता है, insulin surge trigger होता है, वो नहीं करो ताकि flare up ना हो.
Okay, जो inflammation हो जाती है. All right.
Nuts and seeds you're not supposed to take at all because they're very गर्म होते हैं. Seeds जो हैं, एक seed से आपको पता है इतनी सी seed जान तो पेड़ उग जाता है. आप चमचे भर के अपने
like diets में होता है ना कि सुबह भिगोना है.
All the diets say put all this, but trust me Charu, it will not do good to people who are having acne. जब आपकी बॉडी आपको एक्ने हो रहे हैं तो अंदर कुछ मेजर चल रहा है. सो अब आप देखोगे बच्चे जो 13-14 इयर्स के लिए फुल ब्लोन एक्ने के साथ आते हैं.
Yes.
Because lot of junk food, coke, cold drinks, pizzas, lot of junk, all these things. Then chocolates, I would say coke and everything is going on.
I have to